Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 10. Xy is equal to 150. X plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 150. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 10. Let us make this y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 10 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 150. Now let us substitute for y, which is 10 minus x. S bracket 10 minus x is equal to 150. Let us open the bracket with this s. S multiplied by 10. 10x minus x multiplied by x. S square is equal to 150. This can be written as 10x minus s square minus 150 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus s square plus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. This will give s squared plus 10s divided by minus 1. This will give minus 10x. Minus 150 divided by minus 1. This will give plus 150 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 150. S is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 150, which is c, and a is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 10, that is plus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 150, that is 600, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 600, this is minus 500, divided by 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 500 can be written as square root of 5 multiplied by 100 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 is 10. Square root of minus 1 is I root 5 divided by 2. And this can be written as 10 divided by 2 plus or minus 10I divided by 2 root 5. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. S is equal to 5 plus or minus 5I root 5. Therefore, S1 is equal to 5 plus 5I root 5, and S2 is equal to 5 minus 5I root 5. These are the values of S. We've got the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 10 minus X. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5I root 5. And Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5I root 5. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5I root 5. If you open the bracket with this negative sign here, Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5, 5 minus 5I root 5. This is the value of Y1. Then Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5I root 5. Y2 is equal to 5 plus 5I root 5. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5 plus 5I root 5, 5 minus 5I root 5. S2, Y2 is equal to 5 minus 5I root 5, 5 plus 5I root 5. These are the final answer. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 is equal to the value of S2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation S plus Y is equal to 10. Sy is equal to 150. Now let us consider this. S plus Y can be written as 5 plus 5I root 5 plus 5 minus 5I root 5 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. 5 plus 5, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy can be written as 5 plus 5I root 5 multiplied by 5 minus 5I root 5 must be equal to 150. 5 times 5, this is 25, minus 5 multiplied by minus 5I root 5, that is 25I root 5. This 5I root 5 multiplied by 5, that is plus 25I root 5. Then 5I root 5 multiplied by minus 5I root 5. This is minus 25 multiplied by I square multiplied by square root of 5 all square must be equal to 150. This cancel this, square root. This cancel this. 25 minus 25 multiplied by I square is minus 1 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 150. 25 times minus 1, that is minus 25. Then times, this is minus 1 too. Here, now we have minus times 25. That is minus times 20 times minus 1. That will be plus 1 times 25. That is 25 times 5 plus 25 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 150. Then 25 plus 25 times 5, that is 125, must be equal to 150. 25 plus 125, this is 150, is equal to 150, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.